Organizations are shrinking. Every company will optimize for efficiency. Soon, there will be a few number of large organizations and a bountiful number of startups and small businesses. Early this year, Jack Dorsey, the co-founder of Twitter, now the CEO of Block, a digital payment company, laid off 4,000 employees in its push to embrace AI. He wants the 6,000 remaining Block employees to report directly to him. We are used to the traditional organizational structure, the pyramid type, where you have a leader and managers and subordinates under him. There are layers and hierarchy. Another is a founder-led structure where you report to a boss, the founder. This is linear. The way modern organizations are designed right now is circular, where AI or intelligence sits at the middle of the organization. We call this the Dorsey mode, where there will be no more titles, no more levels, just ICs and DRIs. ICs are individual contributors. They are the specialists, like the coders and the copywriters. DRIs are the directly responsible individual. They are the account owners and the decision makers, both working cohesively. In my world, I call them the intelligence orchestrators. Sometimes I call them the maestro. They are the ones managing an army of agents. Knowing that the world is headed this way, what are you doing to stay relevant? Let me know your thoughts.